Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad Pati from Saadymady Academy. Welcome to the channel where we unlock courses designed to help you build skills for side income or even a full-time career. Don't forget to hit subscribe for fresh, trending tutorials delivered straight to your feed. Today's class? Your gateway to the computer basic course. Whether you're starting from zero or just need a refresher, this series will equip you with all the foundational knowledge you need. We'll break down concepts step by step, no prior experience required. Ready to level up? Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the digital world together. Lecture number 1. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data according to a set of instructions programs. It performs 4 core functions: input, receives data, for example, typing, clicking; processing, manipulates data using algorithms; storage, saves data temporarily or permanently; output, displays or shares results, for example, images, sounds; key characteristics, programmable, follows instructions to solve problems; versatile, used for tasks ranging from calculations to gaming. The first part of a computer is the monitor. It displays visual output, text, images, and videos. There are 2 types: CRT, which is older and bulkier, and LCD LED, which is slim and energy efficient. Monitors are used for browsing the web, editing documents, and streaming videos. Key terms include resolution, for example, 1080p, 4K, and screen size measured diagonally in inches. The second part is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer and executes instructions. It is often confused with the computer case or tower, which is the box housing components. The CPU chip, for example, Intel Core, AMD Ryzen, is mounted on the motherboard. The CPU has components like the arithmetic logic unit, which performs calculations, and the control unit, which manages instruction flow. Key terms include clock speed measured in GHz and cores, such as dual core and quad core. The third part is the keyboard, which is the primary input device for typing and commands. There are wired and wireless types that connect via USB or Bluetooth. Keyboards can be mechanical or membrane, differing in key feel and noise. Layouts include QWERTY, which is standard, and AZERTY, which is French. Keyboards are used for writing emails, coding, and keyboard shortcuts like CTRL+C to copy. The fourth part is the mouse, which controls cursor movement for graphical interfaces. There are types like optical, which uses LED sensors, trackball, which is stationary with a rolling ball, and wireless, which is battery-powered. Mice are used for selecting files, dragging items, and gaming. Now let's discuss hardware versus software. Hardware is defined as the physical components you can touch, such as the monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU chip, hard drive, and printer. Its role is to provide the structure and process data. For example, the CPU calculates and the hard drive stores. Software, on the other hand, is defined as programs that instruct hardware to perform tasks. There are 2 types: system software, which manages hardware like Windows and Mac OS, and application software, which are user-focused tools like Microsoft Word and Chrome. Examples of software include games, antivirus programs, and photo editors. The key differences are that hardware is tangible, like a mouse or monitor, while software is intangible, like an operating system or apps. Hardware can wear out physically, while software can be corrupted or deleted but is not worn. Hardware requires software to function, and software requires hardware to run. Now let's see how hardware and software work together. For example, when typing a document, the hardware includes the keyboard input, the CPU processes the keystrokes, and the monitor displays the text. The software includes Microsoft Word as the application and the operating system that manages resources. In conclusion, A computer is a programmable machine that inputs, processes, stores, and outputs data. The four key parts are the monitor for output, the CPU for processing, and the keyboard mouse for input. Hardware is physical while software is instructional. Both depend on each other. Hardware without software is inert, and software needs hardware to run. Don't forget to join us on our WhatsApp community and like our Facebook page. You can also visit our blog to read in any language. Links are in the description. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.